Hey guys, welcome back. Your best friend, Joe Jaguar. Well, I hope at least one of them. Okay, I'm back at the Bordeaux 2 gray zone. And today we came pretty late. We got here almost like 10:30, so it's already dark. Just unpack and come outside. Looks nice and clear. A lot of mosquitoes and bugs out, but I do got spray on. I don't want to wait too late today because last time I waited a little too long. Then by the time I got out, the weather changed. Wasn't supposed to change, but it did. Today, let's go take a look at the Scorpio constellation. It's perfect. It's just past the meridian, so you can kind of almost see the whole tail. And let's just take a look. I don't want to waste too much time. We'll talk during the video, and this way I'll turn off this very aggressive light, and we'll talk soon. Okay guys, we are looking at M4, and as you can see, it's pretty low. Let me turn the Rigel off. It's pretty low right now. For you guys that have not seen it, look obviously for Scorpio first, then Antares, and then it's not too far away. But you can kind of see my angle right now, and I have the light on the stool. I'm just gonna bend down. And with 1.25 inches, a 38 millimeter, you can easily see that it's a star cluster, but of course it's more compact. And it looks like, I don't know, you can see like 100 stars. Now, of course, you could boost up the power. To me, because it's so low in the sky, it doesn't seem like it's anywhere as nice as like the M5, M3, that type of thing. So let's put a 13 angler and bump up that power to at least double or more. And let's see how it looks. Okay, at this power, you can clearly see you're looking at a globular cluster. It's fairly big, fairly bright, and there's just hundreds of individual stars. Now, I don't know where exactly you guys observe from. Some of you guys from the USA and lower latitudes, of course, it'd be higher, and you're probably going to seem a bit better. But for here, right now, this location, normally I'm at a 43 degrees in Toronto, or Scarborough, whatever you want to call it. But up here, I believe it's 44 degrees. So it's kind of low in the sky. So, of course, you're looking through more atmosphere. But it definitely looks like a nice cluster to look at. And it definitely would recommend you guys, look at this before it goes. For us northerners, because the tail just sweeps the bottom of the horizon type of thing, it doesn't last too long. The Milky Way it's coming up nicely right now. And again, unfortunately, don't think I see any hint of an aurora or anything today, which is always the case. Every time I come up here, I never get one from up here. I guess it's just bad luck. But anyway, definitely looks nice. I have seen it hundreds of times, but it's okay. So let's go to something else now. Okay, guys, so we are looking at the butterfly cluster, also called M6 for Messier number 6. Now you can see how low it is. Oh wow, it's very dewy. It's becoming dewy. You can see how low we are. And I'm just gonna bend down. I'm still young enough where it doesn't hurt. In a 38 millimeter 1.25 inches, you can see it and fairly easy. Now again, I am using a 12-inch at a Bordeaux 2, but for any of you guys that are much lower latitude, it'll be higher and look good. So I definitely can fit it. I wasn't sure because it's so low that that could be, I'm not, let me see. Let me see if I can show you guys or tell you how low. Oh, okay. I'm probably only about 7 or 8 degrees above the horizon. That's how low this cluster is. But definitely it's a nice cluster to look at. So give it a shot and hopefully you guys can see it. I'm thinking even much smaller telescopes you can see it. And I wasn't sure with the 1500 millimeter focal length if it would work, but easy. Okay, there's another cluster that's very close called M7. And as you can see, I'm even further. I'm much lower than M6, and I'm probably about 1 or 2 degrees above the horizon, so I don't even know if I'm gonna see it, but let's give it a try. If I see anything, I do see something. I do see the cluster, but there are some bushes in the way, and so it's not giving me a great view. In between the branches, I can just see M7 right at the edge where the branches like thin out. But I suppose if I just wait half an hour, it will be a little bit further off, maybe, and then that might look a little better. But anyway, give that a shot too. So those, I think, are the 3 nice things to see in Scorpio. Now, there is a lot more stuff to see, but those are the 3 things. You guys tell me, how do you see those things from where you're located? What do you see? And can you clearly see M6 and 7? How above the horizon is it to you guys? So that's it for this video, guys. There's the 3 topics right there, or there's the 3 items right there to take a look at, which are probably the 3 most common things. But photographically, there's a lot of other stuff in that zone to look at. We can again try another time to look at 3 other things and see what we see. Anyway, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys know anybody getting into hobby, share my channel if you don't mind. And I also have members video. I've said this quite a bit. And I put 1 video there once a month. It's only 99 cents to join. Something that doesn't go on the regular channel, please subscribe to that if you like. And why not you? Why not me?